2026 new Mercedes GLE new design. Let's start examining. The headlights and new grille junction are similar to the current E-Series. Bumper vents may differ. The appearance of the vehicle should be like the new generation Mercedes. Here it is finished and the look of the new GLE. Let's move on to the interior of the car. The front panel will probably be similar to that of the new S-Series. This is nice because I didn't like the front panel of the old one. So what does the rear view of the vehicle look like? Stop lights can be designed to be the trending combination and long single stop lights. There is a Mercedes logo inside the stop lamps. As in current Mercedes, luggage cover details. And this is what the after image might look like in the end. How do you think it happened? Would you prefer Mercedes GLE or BMW X5?